Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lana English Podcast. I'm Lana, and as always, I'm here with my awesome co-host, Jack.
Hey guys, great to have you back. Or if this is your first time listening,
Then what took you so long?
yeah, come on, we've been waiting for you. But seriously, we're so happy you're here.
We really are. Every week, when we see more and more people learning with us, it just makes our day. You're doing amazing. You're learning, you're improving, and you're being consistent. And that's the key.
Exactly. If you've been listening to our previous episodes, you already know consistency is your secret weapon.
And hey, if you missed any episodes, don't forget to check them out later. We've got lots of fun topics waiting for you. Grammar tips, pronunciation practice, and more.
Yep, just scroll back and hit play after this one. You'll love it.
Okay, so Jack, what's today's episode about?
Today, we're talking about English tips for new learners. Simple, clear, and super helpful advice for anyone starting their English journey.
We'll talk about how to use easy sentences, how to repeat words to remember them better, and how to grow your confidence in speaking English every day.
And we'll even give you some sentences you can practice right now. Repetition is power, my friends.
Oh, yes. You'll hear some of our sentences 2 or 3 times on purpose. That's not a mistake. It's learning magic. Part 1. Simple sentences first. So, let's start with the basics. The best way to learn English fast is to start with simple sentences.
That's right. Short, clear, and useful sentences. Like, I like coffee. I like coffee. I like coffee.
3 times, Jack. You're serious about repetition.
Oh, yeah. Your brain loves patterns. When you repeat, your brain says, oh, this again must be important.
Exactly. So, here's another one. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English.
Nice. And here's a tip. Say it out loud. Don't just read it. Your tongue needs exercise too.
True. It's like going to the gym for your mouth muscles.
Yeah, and no one gets strong by just looking at the gym. You gotta go there. Same with English. Don't just watch. Speak.
I love that. Repeat after us right now, okay? I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English.
Boom. You just practiced speaking. Easy win.
Part 2. Vocabulary and memory tricks. Let's talk about vocabulary. A lot of new learners think they need to learn hundreds of words every day.
Nope. Trash idea. Don't do that.
Yeah, that's way too much. You only need to learn a few words every day, but use them.
Here's an example. Let's take the word beautiful.
This flower is beautiful. This flower is beautiful. This flower is beautiful.
Then try changing it a bit. This city is beautiful. This city is beautiful. This city is beautiful.
And next day, try with something new. My English is beautiful.
Yes, and it really is. Every word you learn makes it more beautiful.
So remember, repeat, reuse, and relax. Learning English is not a race, it's a journey. Part 3. Listen, don't just study.
Here's a tip I wish I knew earlier. Don't just study English, listen to it.
Oh, yes. Podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, songs, anything that makes your ears happy.
When you listen, you start to feel the language. You learn how words connect, how people pause, how they laugh, how they sound natural.
That's what we do here, right? We talk like real people, not robots.
Hello, I am learning English.
No, don't talk like that. Talk like you.
Right, and don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you're learning. If you never make mistakes, you're not trying hard enough. Part 4, Daily Practice Routine. Okay, let's give our listeners something practical, a short daily routine.
Good idea. You can do this every day in just 10 minutes.
Step 1, read 3 short sentences. Step 2, repeat each sentence 3 times. Step 3, say them out loud.
Easy, right?
Let's practice right now. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up early.
I drink water. I drink water. I drink water.
I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel good today.
That's perfect. Just 10 minutes like this every day, and you'll see real progress.
Part 5, stay motivated. Now, sometimes you might feel tired or lazy. It happens.
Oh, yeah. Everyone has those days. You wake up and think, not today.
But that's when you should say just one sentence. Only one.
Yes, one sentence is enough to keep your brain in learning mode.
Like this. I am learning English. Say it. Say it again. Say it one more time.
Look at that. You already studied today.
See? No excuses.
All right, let's wrap it up, Lana. What's the main idea today?
Keep it simple, repeat sentences, use new words, and speak every day.
And don't forget to listen to our previous episodes. They're full of more tips like this one.
Yes, if you liked today's episode, hit that follow button or subscribe to Lana English channel.
Come on, you know you want to. It's free. We promise no boring homework, just fun English learning with us.
Yeah. And if you liked today's episode, leave a comment and tell us your favorite sentence.
That's your homework for today. Write one sentence you learned and repeat it 3 times.
You're doing great. We're proud of you. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember,
English is fun.